Hi, I'm Rich, your host, and you're watching Owl's Nest Outdoors. It's opening day of PA deer season. We got about 30 minutes left before shooting time. We're all settled in. Wish me luck. Alright, well, it's 9:30. Haven't seen a deer yet or heard anything. Bunch of shots around me. So my cousin, his son, and a friend of ours are posted up around me. I'm guessing we have at least 1 to maybe 3 deer down. So we'll be going in at noon to take care of the dog, and we're going to switch spots this afternoon. But we're going to stick it out for the next 2 hours. Normally that's the time I see deer, between 10 and 12 here. So we'll see how it goes. Well, no luck this morning. We're going to go ahead and head out, do a little still hunting back to the car. Need to go let the dog out, and we'll head out to a new spot this afternoon. We'll be back here tomorrow, probably for the full day, because it's going to be pouring rain, so we want to be definitely in the blind. So, alright, as you can see, I have the GoPro head mount on, so let's see if we can kick up some bucks. Just passed my cousin. He's got a doe and he's heading back. My other cousin, our friend George, my cousin's son, they're still out in the woods. I don't know, somebody next to him must have shot. Alright, we're gonna help Steve get this deer in.
The funny part was I thought about headshotting. I don't know why. And then I hit him up in here, and then I hit him back in the gut.
Nice sized deer too. This little rack.
The sucker's heavy. No, there's a bigger one, or
Oh,
well,
yeah.
there's a third
nice
one,
deer.
but I couldn't see it.
Steve's got a big one too for a doe.
That's why I heard.
Alright, now we're in spot number 2 for the afternoon hunt. This is kind of where I wanted to be this morning. So we'll see how it goes. it's 3:07. Still no deer.